Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today is 25th of March 2021. Okay, to start with, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. I'm just sharing my thoughts for fun and educational purposes only. What you do with your money is completely up to you. Okay, so to start with, for those of you who think that the bull run is over and the bear market has started, I regret to tell you that's not true. Now, for those of you who don't know what the bull or bear market means, basically bull market means when the market is going up. Bear market is when the market is crashed or market is going down, in simple terms. Now, the cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the altcoins, they work in cycles. That's basically what we've been seeing since the last 10 years. So there is the bull market or the bull season, which is around 1 year, more or less. The market keeps going up. Sometimes in 1 year you have two bull and bear markets, but technically the market keeps going up and then suddenly it crashes and the bear market starts. Now, the main indication, I look at two things to basically determine whether we are in a bull or bear market. Of course, we will be getting into a bear market, but from what I know, from what I think, now is not that time. It's gonna be approximately end of September or beginning of October, unless things severely change. Now, okay, one of the things that I look at is the market sentiment. Basically, see, if you're a smart investor, or if you have studied investing, or if you have studied the psychology of investing, whenever you see that the market is negative or everyone is talking about a crash, that's when you know that the crash is not coming. Right now, 99% or 90% of all the people are talking about the end of the bull run. They're like, the Bitcoin reached its maximum high and now it's gonna crash. Altcoin is gonna crash. That's when, and these are the same people who were a few months ago talking about Bitcoin reaching $300,000 or $400,000, yeah? So now suddenly they've changed the narrative. This means that the news is asking you to sell your coins. Otherwise, no one would give you a warning before the crash that the crash is coming. Like if you watch my previous videos, a few days ago I said that until 26th the market will be going down. And it is going down, correct? I'm not predicting the future. I just saw the different news and I saw how the market is reacting. It's simple. You can see what's happening. And eventually the market is gonna go up. Now, so first thing is that everyone is negative. Everyone is talking about market crash and selling their coins and getting out of the market. That's when you know that the smart money or the smart investors, or technically the institutions, are gonna buy or gonna get into the market. Or if they have already got into the market, they're gonna increase their holdings. And the retail investors, the dumb money, the people who don't know anything about investing, they will sell their coins. They just get freaked out and they sell their coins. Now, a lot of people, since the few days that I'm posting videos, a lot of people are messaging me and saying that if the Bitcoin will go below 54K, I'm gonna sell my coins. Or if Ethereum goes below 1600, I'm gonna sell my coins. You're free to do what you wanna do. Sell your coins. I'm not losing anything because I'm not selling. Because I know when to sell. Now, if you are not smart about your investment, of course what you do is your choice. I respect that. I'm just sharing my thoughts. The dumb money usually buys at the top and sells at the bottom. That's how they lose. And 99% of the people lose in this market. So the first thing that to look for is the market sentiment. You should get worried when everyone is positive. Everyone is like, the Bitcoin is not gonna crash. People are taking loan and putting it into Bitcoin. And when I say Bitcoin, I mean the whole cryptocurrency. People are taking loan. People are selling their house, selling their cars, putting the money in the Bitcoin. That's when you should be scared, because everyone is positive. So that's when a negative thing will happen. This is how the market works, basically. This is what I've been observing. Maybe I'm wrong, but I'm just sharing what I observed in many years. That's one. The second thing is, how does the cycle work? Is basically, usually, this is what has been happening for the past 10 years in the Bitcoin cycles. Usually, first, Bitcoin will keep pumping high, extremely high. Then it will stop, and then altcoins will start pumping, because the people who had Bitcoin, they've sold their Bitcoin, they've taken the profit, they put it in the altcoins, and the altcoins will start pumping. And then the market eventually crashes. The smart people will sell first, they get their profit. The dumb people, or the dumb money, will panic and sell. Now we haven't seen that yet. Yeah, some coins have gone up, but not all the coins, and we've not seen the Bitcoin sellout happen. So these are the two things that I look at. Now, your safest bet is, one, to hold Bitcoin, to be safe. After Bitcoin, Ethereum. But in my opinion, the first coin that I'm holding is Ethereum, and the second is Bitcoin. Why is that? Okay, so when the Bitcoin is gonna completely pump, then after that the altcoins will start pumping. Right now, and of course, why I say Ethereum is there are a lot of other good projects out there, but a lot of good projects have already pumped. Basically, other than Ethereum, you have Cardano, which the code for Cardano is ADA. Cardano has already, a few days ago, already reached 1.4, I think, $1.4 from how much it was, 40 cents. So of course it's gonna go a bit higher, it's gonna go up to $2, but Cardano has already pumped. The other good project is Polkadot. The code for that is DOT, has already pumped. So now who's left in these good projects is Ethereum. Ethereum by far is bigger than both of those projects, Cardano as well as Polkadot. Ethereum has many other uses. It's not just the storage of value. So even if you hold it long term, you are on a safer side than holding any other altcoin. Because even if the bear market will start, or if the market will crash, the percentage that you will lose in Ethereum will be much lesser than the other coins. Basically, Ethereum is less volatile than the other altcoins. Of course, Bitcoin is lesser volatile than Ethereum, but Ethereum has more potential at the moment, because Bitcoin has already gone way up. It's more profitable to buy Ethereum than to buy Bitcoin. Of course, how I split my money is 50% in Ethereum, 25% in Bitcoin, because I believe in Bitcoin as well. The rest, 20 to 25%, is in different altcoins or in a riskier projects. Now see, the riskier projects have a better return, but at the same time they have more chances of crashing. So the safest bet is at the moment Ethereum. Right now, today the lowest was, I think, 1,550. It has the potential to go up to at least 3,000. A lot of people, a lot of smart people that I know, say that it's gonna go up to $25,000. Now, even if it doesn't go that much, even if it reaches 10,000, that's more than enough. You're getting 10,000 for your investment of 1,500. If you don't have 1,500, you can buy even $10 of Ethereum. But the point is that it's less volatile. So even if the market will crash, see, when the market crashes, one more thing, Bitcoin and Ethereum will recover after the market recovers. Basically, when the bear market is over, after every season, when the market goes back up, these two will always retain their value and go higher. The other projects, a lot of people call the other coins shit coins, because after the bear market, you do not know what's going to happen with them. Of course, Cardano is a good project, but again, altcoins, you don't know what's going to happen with them. But these two, Bitcoin and Ethereum, have been there since a long time. Bitcoin is of course like a gold now. Ethereum has a lot of uses. That's why it's not going away anytime soon. It has smart contracts, it has DeFi, it has NFTs, it has a lot of projects are built on it. So it's not as easy for it to go away than the other altcoins, which disappear or go 99% below their current value. So I just wanted to share my thought on the bull market. Of course, if you are holding Ethereum, I would suggest to just, I'm gonna hold my Ethereum. At least I'm not gonna sell it now. If I have more money, I'm gonna buy more, but I'm not gonna sell my Ethereum now hoping that tomorrow I'm gonna buy it at a cheaper rate, because you do not know when the market's gonna jump up. Like I said, don't trade until 26th of March. You don't know, maybe tomorrow the market will jump up, maybe day after tomorrow. There is no fixed time. The market doesn't give you a signal before going up. So to be safe, hodl your coins, and if you have more money, buy more. If you don't have more money, just keep what you have. Don't buy sell and lose what you have. What if the moment you sell your coin, the market will go high? So you already lost the profit that you would have got otherwise. So I hope this was helpful. I'm just sharing my thoughts with you guys every day. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and have a great day. Bye bye.